Hi everybody, my name is Douglas. I'm here on Lichess, trying to figure out some chess puzzles. Alright, so the first one we have today, see that this pawn over here on C has 3 more. I have it backed up with the bishop, but he's got it with his knight there to cover, so I'd be losing material. And so I'm looking at where can I put him in check. Alright, I could use my knight, I could go to e6, they would just take a bishop, then I would take, and then that pawn would be going. Alright, then I can move the knight to h7, check, and then he would move to g8, and then I could put my bishop on f7, but then I would be losing my knight. Okay, I think I figured it out. If you want to pause the video. Okay, so I think the first one is putting here. Why didn't he go up with his bishop? Oh, because he'd just be losing it? Well, and then next is my knight, not there. Let's try h7. Okay, so that's checkmate. Alright, so that's a mate in 2. Alright, so thanks for watching, and take care.